Hi guys, it's Natalia, and today I'm going to be opening lots of slime. I'm going to count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 slimes. So this is from Christmas. So there's lots of different slimes. For example, there's fluffy, super fluffy slime. I don't know if you can read that, but it says super fluffy. And then there's two of each, but there's different. This is sweet, slimy sweet ice cream. I have 2 of those. I actually have 3 of the slimy fruity collection, and I have 2 of slimy sweet as well, but in ice cream tubs. So let's get on to the video. Oh, this is the first one. I've opened Galaxy, so I'll show you guys this. So that's what it looks like. Ew. Okay, my hands are getting. Oh, there's actually like sprinkles in there. That's weird. There's sprinkles, guys. Oh wow. Okay. It's actually not too messy, which I'm happy about. But it's sticky. Oh wow. I don't think I'm gonna be able to take it out. Let's see. Can I just pour it on? Oh, there. Oh. Oh my gosh. Look at that. Oh, okay. Look at that. It's not the worst stickiness, but it's sticky. Look at all that sprinkles. Okay. Oh, wow. Ah, nope. Don't fall. Okay. There we go. So that was the Galaxy slime. Wow. My hands. It doesn't really matter because I'm going to be opening lots of these. So that was the Galaxy. Next is Fluffuccino. How do you say that? I don't know. But that's it there. So let's open this one up. Okay, it doesn't look as nice as the last one. I still have lots of slime on me. It doesn't look as nice as the last one. For some reason. Maybe because it's just not Galaxy. But there's a lot of mess on me. Okay. So here's a Fluffuccino. That's what it looks like. It's basically just plain. Oh wow. I'm putting Galaxy in there. I didn't mean to do that. Yeah, I'm just gonna. I think I made it worse. Okay. Okay, it feels thicker actually. It feels thicker. And not as sticky. It almost has like a cement color. Have you guys ever had slime that looks like cement? Comment down below if you have. Slime. Okay. It's stuck. This one's stuck. It won't come out of there. It looks like there's a lot more, but I don't think there is. Yeah, okay, this one isn't as sticky. No, it's not sticky. Hey, we have victory! This one isn't sticky. Well, it's still sticky, but it doesn't come onto your hands like the last slime. So this is the Fluffuccino. I'm just saying that because I can't say it. I don't even know how you oh. So this is really nice. It feels so nice. But you can't eat it. Oh, it smells like ice cream. It smells like ice cream I have from shops, which I love. I don't buy this though. I buy chocolate, but this just, it smells like the ice cream I get. Look how stretchy it is. Okay, I'll give you a close up. Okay. Wow, that's slimy. Am I? Fart noises. It's not supposed to make that noise, but it does. Oh. Excuse the slime. Okay. Get back on. So that is that slime. Next, I think we're going to go on to Slimy Fruity. So I'm going to start with this green one. Let's open this one up. Oh, whoa. This feels so weird. It's like, as soon as I open it, there's like an air bubble. Oh, okay. Can you pop air bubble? Because I like that very much. I'm gonna... It's very much stuck. Okay. Come on. There. Got it. Okay. It's like, it's shimmery. It looks really nice. Hey, it smells like Frappuccino as well. Excuse me. I don't know how you say that. But see how shimmery that is. It looks like it's got glitter in it almost. That is so shimmery. Whoa. Okay. Let's look at the other two. Okay, what's up here? I have two more. Push the slime I've done over to the side. Okay, I'm gonna open the orange one next. Here's the orange one. Let's open this one. It's also got an air bubble. Look at that air bubble. That's an air bubble. Okay. Just get the slime out. This one is a shimmery as well. Whoa, it feels so nice. And all these are stretchy. This is a non-sticky pack. At first I didn't think that because of the galaxy slime. But now I do actually think that because none of these other slimes is sticky. So I'm happy for this. Oh, I'm just wrapping myself. Okay, come on. Now it's sticky, okay. Or no, okay. Whoa, okay. Let's get some of that off me. Okay, let's put it back in the tub. Oh. Yeah, it smells, they all smell the same. That sounds weird. Okay. And for our last one, pink. Which I don't think has an air bubble. Well, it has half of an air bubble. Oh, this one feels weird. Weirder than weird. That doesn't make any sense. Don't listen to me. Okay. This one is shimmery as well. I think this one is the best color. I think this one's really good for shimmer. This one has a lot of shimmer in it. I think this should be the color for Galaxy. So this is the pink. It actually smells kind of like strawberry. So I guess this is the strawberry smell. This smells so good. Okay, let's see if this will make fun noises. They're not supposed to, but they do. Oh, whoa. That's loud. Okay. Next, I'm going to say the fluffy till last. So let's go on to the ice cream tub. Okay, this is in a bag. It's a good thing I had scissors. The slime is in a bag, so gonna get my scissors and I'm just gonna gently cut the top off. I don't think that did anything. Oh, it did something. Ew. It's like watery or something. Yeah, this is watery, guys. Ew, okay. I don't think I made a big enough hole. Okay, let me just grab my scissors. It's acting all weird. It's like it's wet. Which I was not expecting. Try that. It's almost like melted ice cream. Oh, it feels so weird. It's like, oh, it's like black. What? This is the weirdest slime I've ever felt. Okay, I must say I'm not a fan of this one. Now I know how the ice cream ones feel like. If I were you, I wouldn't get this. They all came in a set. It's like bubbly. I think this is the vanilla one. But why does it feel like that? Okay, I'm just gonna see if I can get it all out now. I don't like doing it though because it feels so weird. Oh. Look at it, guys. Look, it's got bubbles. It's got bubbles on it. It feels weird, but it smells like vanilla. That's not a fave. Definitely not a favorite. I'm scared to open the other one now. Look at the packet. Bubbles. Okay, let's try this one. Okay, it's blue. It's blue. Which I'm guessing... Oh boy, this one's gonna be messy. I'm guessing it's the mint because there's... I'm definitely getting this tub because it just looks weird. I'm scared, but at the same time I'm saying to myself, I have to open this. So, is there an opening? Oh, yep, there's an opening already. Let's just keep cutting until we get to the very end of this weird slime. Yeah, I think this one's definitely the mint. Can I get a bigger hole in here? Ew. Oh. Oh, wow. It's the exact same. Except it's got a bit more of a better color. Oh, and it smells like strong mint. It smells like really strong mint. If you like mint, this is a good smell for you. But really not... My scissors. Really not the best taste or flavor. Or what? Oh, it's dripping. It's dripping weird flavoring stuff. I got some in my hands. Ew. Okay. I'm definitely after this video going to wash my hands. Ew. Ugh. It feels so weird. Ew. Oh, it feels so weird. Why does it feel like that? I feel like in here there's a lot more slime. Okay, that's the last of it. Come on. Oh. And it's wet? It's like, why is it wet? You know, like, why is it wet? It's wet. Definitely put in the lid. Okay, I really hope the fluffy slimes aren't like that. It's worth a shot. It doesn't look like that. I think these are going to be okay, hopefully. Okay. Can I... Is there an opening on you? Okay, I'm just going to cut the side. Okay, this is not too bad, actually. Oh, there we go. Okay, this one has a sort of an opening. Okay. Here. Okay, I'm gonna cut this because it's nice and plain. Please don't be weird and sticky and weird like the other one. Okay. Open. Nope. Keep going. Keep going, Natalia. Fluffy slime. Look, we're in luck. This isn't wet and weird like the other slime. I love this. It feels so nice. This is definitely one I'm going to be playing with for ages. After this video, I'm just going to come back and play with it and play with it and keep on playing with it. Because it's, oh, it smells. I can smell it from here. Oh. There's still a little bit of it inside. Come on out. Yeah. Okay. Done. Okay. I'm gonna take this one out because... Whoa. What does it smell like? What are the flavors here? It smells, yeah, it smells like bubble gum. It says the pink is like bubble gum, and it does smell like bubble gum. But I don't know what flavor of bubble gum. Look how this is good quality. This feels really nice. Yeah, I think I'm definitely gonna come back and be playing with this. Okay, stick it back in there. It's just perfect fit. Okay, where's the lid? Okay, and the last one is the green, which on the side smells like green apple, apparently. So here's the green one. Here's the green. Trying to open it in hopes that it does smell like green apple. Come on. Come on. Cut. 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 Okay. Cut. 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 Okay. I cut it. Oh boy. I don't know what green apple smells like, but it kind of smells like apple. Oh wow. Kind of smells like apple. I don't know what green apple smells like. What's green apple supposed to smell like? Comment down below if you know what green apple's supposed to smell like, because to me, it smells like a really, really sweet apple. Oh, wow. Smells and stretches. All these stretch so good. Except from the ones in the ice cream tub, which were not the best. Definitely not the best. My scissors still have ice cream in them. Okay, well, that's all my 9 slimes for today. I hope you guys enjoyed this, because I really did enjoy it. I really enjoyed doing this with you, and I hope you guys really liked this video. And a Merry Christmas to you, and see you next time. Bye!